Welcome to your quick shoulder yoga remedy. Close your eyes and take a moment to settle in. Lift your shoulders and spine, pulling in your core towards the spine as well. Hands around the navel. Exhale and begin to find longer, more luxurious breath. Pulling your navel in on the inhale and pushing it away on the exhale. Practicing cooling breath or shitali. Roll the sides of the tongue in and up like a taco and pull air in as though sucking through a straw. Genetically, some people are unable to do this, so place your tongue at the roof of your mouth and perform the breathing this way. Inhale in through the straw, exhale out through the nose. Inhale in through the straw and out through the nose. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Last one. And release. Blink the eyes open and begin to release the hands on the knees, curling at the spine, chin down to chest. Beginning cat-cow, chin goes up towards the ceiling, flexing the spine. And exhale, rolling forward. Inhale, send the chin high, chest lifts. Exhale, chest moves inward, chin comes down. One last time, inhale. And exhale, roll through. Come back to a neutral spine. With a lifted chest, place your right hand behind you, left hand comes in front to move into a twist. Feel a lift through the chest and heart center, chin stays neutral, and allow your breath to move through evenly. Slowly release, come back to center. This time the left hand goes behind you, right hand forward. Use the right hand in front of you to press and lift through the chest and heart center, engaging through the core and feeling even weight from right to left hip. Slowly release back to center and allow your left ear to come to left shoulder and a slight release through the right side of the neck. Right hand can extend out long to increase the stretch, but be really gentle and sweet here. Allow yourself a moment to sigh. Right hand can move upwards as a final modification for this stretch. Breathe in evenly and allow the jaw to be soft. Slowly release your hand and move on to the opposite side, right ear to right shoulder, allowing breath to move into the left side of the neck. Imagining a bright color extending out through the sore muscles, tight muscles there. Breathing through evenly, allowing the stretch to mold open the jaw. Hand can lift up towards the ceiling in the final modification. Breath in and out. Moving into a wrist stretch, begin to fold the fingers backwards towards the body. Allow the shoulders to stay neutral and melted away from the ears. Switch sides, pulling the opposite hand backwards, feeling a stretch through the left wrist. Slowly release both hands to the earth. You can be really gentle here. You don't have to have both of the pads of the hands down on the earth. Chest stays lifted and proud, shoulders away from the ears, and allow your exhales to ease into the stretch. Inhales will slowly allow you to come back up and out and recalibrate left and right side body, even weight. Slowly make your way into a tabletop position, hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Work your way from tabletop into cat, arcing the spine up towards the ceiling, chin to chest. Exhales lead you down through cow, chin lifts. Inhale, arc, pulling the navel in, and exhale, pressing navel back down. Turn and look to left and then right hip, doing a little twist through the spine. Eventually from neutral spine to move, shimmy and shake the shoulders, getting any last little clicks or cracks out of the way. And then beginning to press weight into the left hand, right hand lifts high, rolling around the wrists, and then slowly swing it through to thread the needle. Very light weight on the shoulder and temple, allowing the breath to flow evenly through, feeling the stretch through the shoulders. Inhaling, right arm high, rolling the wrist, placing it back down on the earth, and inhaling left hand high. Rolling the wrist and then slowly threading through in between wrist and knee. Left temple and left shoulder rest on the earth as you breathe evenly, allowing length in inhale and exhale, relaxing. It's an inhale that leads you up and out to lift the wrist high towards the ceiling, placing it back down on the mat, opening the knees slightly to move into child's pose. Palms on the earth, spread the fingertips wide. Third eye center, that place in between the brows, is resting softly on the earth. And you can feel with lift and lower every inhale and exhale, the navel on the thighs. Taking this moment to ground and root and feeling the breath fluttering through the fingertips. Inhale, come up and out, allowing yourself to slowly take a seat on the earth, right and left hip even on the ground. Moving into butterfly, place the soles of the feet together. Begin with the feet further away from the body and then slowly begin to draw them in to notice how that feels on the groin. If the knees are lifted, I'd have you have the feet a little further away from your body and get some support underneath the knees if that's comfortable as well. Start with a lifted chest and heart center, and then slowly begin to hinge forward, easing to your level, whatever feels good with hands on the ground or forearms. Take a breath in and out. And when you're ready, a big inhale will lead you slowly up and out, rewinding one hand at a time. Take a moment to notice where your chest is and see if you can inhale, lift it up, connecting with a proud, open heart space. Taking a moment, and when you're ready, slowly turning around, extending the legs out long, flexing feet towards the face, and inhale, lift, and forward fold. A long spine will lead you into the space, and we're here for just a breath or two as you get acquainted with stretch through the thighs and hamstrings. Your inhale will lead you slowly up and out as you turn and rotate, folding the legs inward, prepping the hands into Gyan Mudra, index finger and thumb to touch, taking an inhale in and releasing it out. Thanking yourself for making practice time for you. I send you much light and love.